International money moves. Does Tangerine deserve a green card? Ever dreamt of island hopping in Greece or getting lost in the bustling streets of Tokyo? Maybe you have family overseas who could use a helping hand. Whatever your reason, transferring money internationally can be a breeze or a total nightmare, depending on your bank. Today, we're diving deep into Tangerine, the Canadian online bank known for its simplicity and sweet interest rates. But can Tangerine handle your international money moves? Let's find out. The Great Wall of Wire Transfers. Imagine you want to send some cash to your bestie backpacking across Southeast Asia. The most common way to do this is a wire transfer. It's fast, secure, and gets the money straight into their account. But here's the catch. Wire transfers rely on a special code system called SWIFT or BIC. Think of it like a secret handshake banks use to confirm where the money needs to go. Tangerine's big but. Alright, so where's Tangerine in all this? Well, the not-so-sweet news is Tangerine doesn't offer international wire transfers. That's right, no fancy SWIFT codes or sending money across borders. The reason? Tangerine operates primarily online, keeping overhead costs low. International transfers can be complex and involve a network of partner banks, which might not fit their business model. Don't despair. Tangerine transfer alternatives. But hold on a sec, Globetrotters. This doesn't mean you're stuck. Here are a few alternative options if you're a Tangerine user with international money on your mind. Tag team with tradition. Do you have another bank account besides Tangerine? You can transfer the money from Tangerine to your traditional bank account, most likely using a free Interac e-transfer, and then initiate the international transfer from there. This might involve some extra steps, but it gets the job done. Third-party power, money transfer services like Wise or Remitly are becoming increasingly popular. These platforms specialize in international transfers and often offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Just link your Tangerine account to the service and get ready to send money worldwide. Think outside the bank, peer-to-peer, P2P, payment apps like Venmo, though not available in Canada, or Zelle allow you to send and receive money directly between friends and family. While not ideal for large sums, it can be a convenient option for smaller, casual transfers. Tangerine, great for Canada, not the world, yet. So, the verdict on Tangerine for international transfers? It's a no-go for now. While their online banking platform is fantastic, their lack of international transfer options might be a deal-breaker for some. However, the alternative methods we mentioned offer workarounds, so you can still send money across borders. Here's the thing, the financial landscape is constantly evolving. Tangerine might decide to offer international transfers in the future. We'll be sure to keep you updated if anything changes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.